Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now my another topic in digital electronics series is SOP and POS form. Here I am going to explain SOP and POS form, that is sum of product and product of sum. This is also a very important topic for examination purpose or competition purpose. So here SOP is, as a name suggests, sum of product. It also referred as DNF, that is disjunctive normal form. Okay, so it is a summation of product term. For example, let's suppose we have function of three variable. Let's suppose function x, y, z. So x bar xy plus x bar y plus x bar y bar plus x y bar plus x y z. This is a product term and this is a summation term, summation addition. So this is a product, this is a sum of products, summation of different products. Now POS form. POS form is product of sum. It is a product of summation term. So here z equals to x plus y, the product of x plus y bar plus x bar by y bar. So here is, this is a summation term and these are product terms. So this is a products of different sums. Now some canonical form we can say. Canonical form are standard SOP and standard POS. Standard SOP form is, in each form each product terms contain all the variables of the function, and standard POS form is each summation terms contain all variable of the function. Now I will explain the example. Let's suppose we have three variable x, y, z like this, but I am explaining here. We have three variable x, y plus x, y bar z plus x, y, z bar plus x, z bar. So this is a SOP form, sum of product, sum of different type of product, but it is not standard SOP because it does not contain all the variable in all the product terms. So this is a standard SOP. You can check xyz plus xy bar z plus xyz bar plus xy bar by z bar. So it contains all the variable in each product terms. It does not contain. So it is SOP form but doesn't have standard SOP. So this is standard SOP form because each product contains all the variables. Now in the standard POS form, let's suppose we have ABC3 function, that is a plus b bar plus c, a plus b bar plus c bar. So you can check this product of sum contains all the variable in each summation term. You can check, this is summation terms, each contains, this is three variable, so three summation, and but it does not contain all the variables in this term. C is missing. So this is not standard, this is only POS form and it is standard POS form. So we have to make this POS form into standard POS form and this SOP form to the standard SOP form. I will explain how. This is SOP, sum of product to standard SOP form. There are some rules or steps. First step, we have to identify the missing variable. Let's suppose there are three variable function are there, xy plus xyz bar plus xz. So we have to identify the missing variable. You can check, in this variable z is missing and this variable y is missing, but it is a full. So it does not missing any variable. So multiply missing variable plus complement of that variable. Let's suppose in this variable z is missing, so we have to multiply z plus z bar, and in this y plus y bar. So here xy into z plus z bar plus xyz plus xz into y plus y bar. Now by the law, distributive law, that is xyz plus xyz bar plus xyz plus xyz plus xyz y bar. Now we can neglect the repeated terms. You can check. There are many neglected terms here. You can check here. xyz, xyz bar, xyz and xy. There are 3 repeated terms xyz. So we have to neglect the repeated term. So we can write here xyz plus xyz bar plus xy bar z. So this is a standard SOP form because it contains all the variable in each product terms. Now POS to standard POS term. How we can change the POS to standard POS? So there is some steps for conversion. First step, identify the missing number. Let's suppose 3 variables are there, x plus y bar plus xz plus bar x plus y. So we have to identify the missing variable in each summation sum term. Okay, each summation term. So here z is missing and here y is missing. So add variable and complement separately. How can we do that? We have to add separately. Like there is a z missing, so x plus y bar plus z and x plus y bar plus z bar. We have to add z and z bar separately. Now this is a full SOP form. So we have to write it as it is. Now there is y missing, so x plus z plus y and x plus y bar plus z, because y is missing, so y is added separately. Now neglect the repeated term. You can check there is no repeated term, so we have to write it as it is. So this is a standard POS form. So this is how we can change or we can convert the SOP to standard SOP. So here is some question you have to do and send me with your answer. Like question is SOP to standard SOP form. Like function xyz, x plus y, xy plus xy bar plus xzy plus xz bar by. You have to change it in a standard SOP form. You have to change it with the standard SOP form first. And second is function xyz, that is xy bar plus xy plus xz plus xyz. You have to change it in the standard SOP form. Now product of sum to standard product of sum. First function xyz. Now you have to change it xy, x plus y bar, xzy and xy. You have to change it in the standard product of sum. Now second function ABC. So a plus b bar, a bar plus c, a plus c plus b. You have to change it in a standard POS form. So please do this and send me with the comment box. If there are any mistake, I will get back to you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Good day. Take care and stay home.